Welcome to Mindful Mint, your guide in the world of financial wellness. Personal finance is a labyrinth, filled with twists and turns, ups and downs. From the outside, it can seem pretty daunting. You've got bills to pay, savings to grow, and maybe even debts to clear, all while trying to enjoy life and not let money matters consume you. Sounds like a tall order, doesn't it? But don't worry, you're not alone. We've all been there trying to figure out how to manage our money effectively, wondering if there's an easier way. Well, there is. Buckle up as we're about to introduce you to silent budgeting. Ever feel like you're juggling your finances like some sort of circus act? Or perhaps it feels like you're stuck on a dizzying merry-go-round of managing your spending? Welcome to the Silent Budgeting Club. Now, let's clear something up. Silent budgeting isn't about pulling your hair out over endless numbers or tossing and turning over daunting spreadsheets. Far from it. It's about molding a spending habit that's savvy, conscious, and sustainable. Think of us as your friendly little nudge, helping you align your money management with your lifestyle and goals. No hard and fast rules, no stress, just a game plan tailor-made for you. Picture this. A system where you're not constantly on pins and needles about exceeding your budget or feeling guilty about an occasional indulgence. Silent budgeting, my friend, is all about that. It's all about setting up automatic payments for all those fixed expenses like rent, utilities, and subscriptions. This way you know what's left for discretionary spending, empowering you to make conscious choices without the need for meticulous tracking. And I bet you're asking, what about savings and investments? Well, silent budgeting hasn't forgotten about that either. It recommends setting up automatic transfers to your savings or investment accounts. This ensures your wealth is growing quietly and steadily without you even noticing it. So, what's the golden nugget today? Silent budgeting is much more than a budgeting tool. It's a lifestyle switch that promotes financial health and mental calmness. It does away with the need for constant monitoring and stressing about finances. By automating your regular expenses and savings, you're left with a crystal clear picture of your discretionary spending. This gives you the freedom to spend wisely and without guilt. Moreover, by quietly and consistently contributing to your savings or investments, you're safeguarding your future without the tension of active management. To wrap it up, silent budgeting is about redefining your relationship with money. It's about having your money work tirelessly for you, not the other way around. It's about attaining financial stability and mental tranquility, all without uttering a word. So why not give silent budgeting a whirl? After all, the quietest revolutions often lead to the most thunderous victories. Enjoyed this video? Share it with friends and family who might also find silent budgeting useful. Want more personal finance tips? Subscribe to our channel. Remember, sharing is caring.